spread sunshine and deliver energy. Xiamen Solar First Energy Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a global leading high-tech enterprise specialized in R&D, manufacture and marketing of solar photovoltaic products, adhering to a sustainable development concept of green energy and taking the bringing sustainable clean energy to human beings as its mission. We continuously gather strength to promote technical innovation for opening a new era for future energy.
厦门金盛能源科技秉承客户第一、技术创新、质量为重、以人为本，用绿色太阳能打造绿水青山的新世界。
We converge high-talent resources to continuously drive the design and development direction for products to meet the demand of industry. With 1 gigawatt annual output and over 200 million RMB annual sales, Solar First products have been awarded ISO 9001, TUV, SGS, JIS, SPAD, DOM, etc. certificates and patents. High-end production ensure the world-class quality. Xiamen Solar First Energy Technology Company Limited has advanced production lines and equipment which enable us to make high-quality products to customers. We focus on every detail of production and make strict checks and tests at all levels on raw materials, semi-products, and finished products to ensure a high reliability. All packages from Solar First are well designed to make sure a safe, reliable transportation to have its customers rest assured and be satisfied with receiving goods. Solar First provides solar rooftop mounting systems, solar ground mounting systems, solar tracking systems, solar BIPV systems, and new energy streetlights. Solar First metal sheet rooftop mounting system is designed innovatively for easy installation. Systems can be used to factories, warehouses, and shanties. It is an optimum low-cost and high-quality solution for solar metal roof mount. Solar First tile roof mounting system is applied to tile roofs. Its hookers can be designed according to the types of tiles to meet a different application demand for various types of tiles. Solar First seasonal adjustable system can be applied to both metal and concrete roofs, with characteristics of flexible angle adjustment and easy installation, making it a unique star product and winning more and more customers' favor. Solar First currently has N-type, V-type, and W-type racks, pole mount system, and solar carport system, which are widely used in a variety of scale solar power plants and solar systems. Our systems are flexible in design, easy in installation, and ultra-high in strength, enabling each Solar First customer to be a lot time cost saving in installation and maintenance to ensure an excellent power efficiency and lifespan. Solar carport system is a simple and high-efficiency photoelectricity system, which can not only be used to cover sunlight and rainwater with its solar modules, but also to generate electric power. Solar carport system currently has a wide open market in the world. Solar BIPV system uses PV glass or solar panels built into building envelope, making a perfect combination with buildings. BIPV is leading to a deeper improvement of human society and boosting technology development. Solar tracking systems can follow the sun automatically in an accurate way to enable its solar panels to receive more sun energy, to increase electricity output by 20 to 45%. Solar First new energy lights are available with different functions. We have solar 7-colored garden lights, solar wind hybrid lights, and solar street lights.
Xiamen Solar First is solar leading manufacturer in China. Our solar projects are all over the world, especially in Japan and South Asia. Xiamen Solar First is number one. Trust me, choose Xiamen Solar First. Choose win-win solution.
As a leading enterprise of energy technology innovation, Xiamen Solar First Energy Technology Company Limited is widely recognized and welcomed by its clients from various circles, home and abroad. Our products have found a good sale all over the country and have exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide, such as Japan, America, Canada, Italy, Spain, France, Korea, Russia, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, and Southeast Asia, etc. Adhering to the management philosophy of people orientation, quality first, and technology innovation, we value employees' training and cultivation, taking employees as the greatest wealth of the company and making their value be rewarded itself. We take science and technology as the primary productive force to make lean production on a quality-centered basis. Xiamen Solar First Energy Technology Company Limited will be consistently committed to providing better quality products and services to create more values for its global customers.